Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light.
Alright, so quickly going through my outfits. This blazer right here is from Aritzia. It is by the Babaton brand. And then the dress that I'm wearing inside is from actually Taobao from like a really long time ago. And then my slippers right here are from Hermes. And then I'll be carrying my Birkin 30 with me today. So the first birthday restaurant I chose is an Italian restaurant in Central. We got some prawns and meatballs for appetizers and a spicy pizza for the main. The dough of this pizza was so chewy and the spiciness added a nice little touch to the pizza. Following the linings on your cheeks. For my actual birthday, I chose a restaurant called Clarence, which defines itself as French cuisine but lighter. We both got the set dinner, and it comes with 2 cold starters, 2 hot starters, a main, and a dessert. We can choose 2 cold starters and 2 hot starters, and the menu had 4 choices for each, so we basically just got one of each on what's on the menu.
You can find a small salad waffle, on the top, and potato chips. And I'm going to finish with one of the signature of Chef Olivier Elzer, which is the tuna with avocado.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Like very fresh for your palate. And then enjoy.
Thank you. They served everything all at once for the cold starter and for the hot starter, which in my opinion actually saves so much time for fine dining compared to when they're being served one at a time. For the mains, we got beef and fish. We took a little toilet break, and I noticed how the back of the restaurant is actually a bar, and you can sit outside, and this is basically the skyline view that you would get. And of course, it's time for the birthday wish and candle blowing. Then we walked over to a bar called Lockdown, which was only like a 1-minute walk away from the restaurant.
Choked up next to you.
I got this grasshopper cocktail, in which I really liked. It was really creamy and minty, so it tasted kind of like mint ice cream. And that's it for the day of my birthday. Good night, everyone. The final restaurant I picked for my 29th birthday celebration is tucked away in an alley in Central near LKF. It's basically a modern Japanese izakaya style restaurant. This restaurant was really dark, so my camcorder couldn't really focus, but we just got some plates to share. I would recommend the scallop and the beef. The udon was also okay. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.